Good morning, my dear students. Today we will be learning a practical session on MS Word. In previous class we studied lesson number 6 using MS Word, and today we will be learning the interface of MS Word. So let me start. Students, this is the first screen of your computer. Go to the desktop. When you click on the desktop will be coming on the screen. Now, if you want to start MS Word, click on the start button, children. Here at the bottom left corner, can you see the mouse pointer where I have kept? Click on that. When you click on that, here you have to click on all programs. This is the symbol for all programs. So click on that arrow mark. Scroll the mouse. Here you get Microsoft Office Word. Can you see, children? It has a blue color W icon. So wherever you get this blue color W icon, it is MS Word. So just click on it. The MS Word is open. It looks like WordPad. You all have learnt WordPad in previous classes. Yes, children, where we typed. So this is exactly looks like WordPad, but it has a more options. This is the first screen of your MS Word, children. Yes. Here at the top you can see there is an orange color bar. This bar is called title bar. Why this is called title bar? Because it has the title of the document. By default, the title of the document is document 1. So this bar is a title bar. So at the right top corner, you all can see here 3 buttons are there. You have already learned these 3 buttons. So I can show you here. Here at the top left corner, here there are 3 buttons. First one is cancel button, from where you can cancel the application. And second one is restore button. When you click on it, what happens? The window will be resized. Again, if you want bigger one, again you click on that, it will resize it. And the third option is minimize, from where we can keep the window on the taskbar of system. So here you can see it. So I will click on this like this way. We can on. This is title bar, and here you have options like save, undo and redo. This is called quick access toolbar. It will help you to save your document and it will help you to edit document. So few of the options will be there at the top left corner of the title bar. So from here you can save your document. This is the option for the saving. This icon is the blue color icon. This is used for saving the text. This is title bar. After the title bar, there is a menu bar, children. Here you all can see these different tabs are there. These are the tabs. This is called menu bar because here we have different menus: home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, revive and weave, children. So these are the options which are called menu bar. After the menu bar, there is a standard toolbar which will help you to perform the text editing, or if you want to format your text, that can be done with the help of standard toolbar. After the standard toolbar, there is a ruler. You all can see this is called ruler. In MS Word, they provide you ruler. After that, there is a main area which is called workspace or document, where you all have to type your text. Can you see there is a one line which is blinking? It is going and coming. This is called taskbar. What it is called, children? taskbar. It will help you to type the text. You can use keyboard and you can start typing over there. Just click once over there. Even if you doesn't click, it's fine. So here I will write using MS Word. I am typing with the help of keyboard. Now it is very small now. If I want to increase the size, first I will select this text. Then you have to click on the home menu. Here come to the home menu. Can you see this is a home menu? It is already on. When you click on the home tab, here all the text related formatting options will be coming. Formatting means increasing the size, decreasing the size, applying the color, applying the font styles. These all can be done with the help of formatting of text. So here I selected my text. I want to increase the size. Here they have given two options. One is decrease and one is increase. Keep on clicking. What happens? If you click on the decreasing, it will help you to decrease the text size. If I click on it, it will increase the size. Understanding, children? Now, if I want to put a text color, I will select. Here can you see there is a symbol that is called font color. You all can see down there is one screen tip which will help you to understand that what exactly is that option. So when I click on the small combo button, here I will get many options, many color options. So whichever color you want, you can just click on it. What happens? That will be applicable for your text, children. Okay, children? Now your text has come in the blue color. If I want red, again I will select it. Again I will go there and I will click on the color. Now my text is at the left side of the document. If I want to take it in the middle of the page, here they have provided 3 alignments. If I click on this middle alignment, what happens? The text will be coming at the middle, that is in the center. If I click on the right, the text will go to the right. If I click on the left, the text will come to the left. If I want on the proper this by default space, I have to click on it, justify. So there are 4 alignment, children: center, left, right and justify. So I will select the center one. Now I want to apply some font. Here it is called fonts. It will help you to change the font face. When I click on it, here it will provide me a different faces, different font styles, that is handwriting, the typing text style. So from here I can just select the format whichever I want. I will select this Berlin. Click on that. See, can you see the change? The text style is changed here. I can select any one whichever I want. Understood, children? Okay. Now, whatever the text I've taken, I want to make it little thicker. The line must be little thicker. Here they have given bold option. It will help you to make text thicker. If you don't want, again click on it. Before applying any of this option, first we must select the text. Bold is there. I will click on this bold. What happened, children? It made a text thicker. Now if I want to take it little crosser, slanted, here they have provided one more option, which is called italic. So when I click on the italic, it will help me to make it cross. If I want to apply an underline for my text, here they have given an option. So this is a simple one. Even these options are provided in WordPad also, but I want a different styles of underline. So that option is provided here with the help of this. Whichever style underline you want, you can just click on this combo button. You can go through that. It will help you to take the same. Got it, children? So these are the basic options: changing the font face, font size, font style, font color. Now I will be introducing you one more option: highlight color. If I want to apply the highlight color for this text, background color, select the text. Here before this font color there is a one more option which is called highlight, text highlight color. Whichever you want, you can just take it. So this will help you to highlight the text with a different colors. Got it, children? So this is called highlighting option. So you all can write a small document about the Indian Constitution or use any topic, like Children's Day is there. You can select that topic, type a text and apply these all the options. Once you apply these all the options, save your document. Now how to save? Here there is a icon for saving. You can use this icon or you can click on this flower office button. Click on that. Here there is a save option, you all can observe. Click on that icon. Here type your name, my document. Your document will be saved by default in which location? In documents. Okay children, there is a one folder and icon which is called documents. So there it will be saved. This is the default location. Now I will click on the save. Now my document is saved. That same name will be reflected in the title bar. Understood, children? Now if I want to close this, I will go to the start and click on the close. Like this way, you can exit from MS Word. Here go to the cancel button. Here click on it. It will close the application. Like this way you all can practice the options. Thank you children. Have a nice day.